la la la, brush all day. Shoo shoo, germs go away. Do 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 do, smile so bright. Dino teeth are pure and white. La 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 la. Ellie, Ellie, where are you? Little elephant, we miss you. Trumpet loud and walk, walk, walk. Find your family, hip, hip, hooray. Baby Ellie went to play one day in the jungle, green and far away. She saw pretty flowers, red and blue. Followed a butterfly. Oh, where are you? Ellie, Ellie, where are you? Little elephant, we miss you. She walked and walked on her tiny feet. Met a naughty monkey swinging so sweet. Monkey said, come climb with me. But Ellie said, oh no, I want my mommy. Then she met a wise old parrot bright. Parrot said, don't worry, we'll fly right. Giraffe stretched tall and looked around, pointed the way with a happy sound. All the friends helped Ellie find her way. Through the river and tall grass they play. She heard her mommy's trumpet so loud, ran fast and hugged her in a big cloud. Now baby Ellie is happy and gay. Never goes far when she wants to play. Holds mommy's tail tight every day. Family love is the best play. Trumpet, trumpet, hug, hug, hug. Little Ellie snuggle, snug. Honk, honk, the bus is here. Baby shark sings loud and clear. Sit down safe, hold on tight. Let's ride together, feels so right. 5 little kids got on the bus. Laughing, jumping, making fuss. One stood up to wave goodbye. Oops, he bumped his head so high. No more standing on the bus. Sit down safely, join with us. 4 little kids riding away, talking loudly, wanting to play. One was running down the seat. Driver said that's not so neat. No more running on the bus. Sit and smile, don't make fuss. 3 little kids singing a song, but one was bouncing all too strong. He slipped and slid, oh no, oh dear, who's that? Baby shark said sit right here. No more bouncing on the bus. Ride it safe, no rush, no fuss. Put it! 2 little kids looking around. One dropped toys onto the ground. Baby shark said pick them slow. Safety rules you must know. No more dropping on the bus. Keep it clean and safe with us. One little kid all alone, forgot the rules he should have known. Baby shark came with a smile. Let's sit safely for a while. Now all kids are sitting tight, smiling, happy, feeling right. No more chaos, no more fuss. Safe, safe riding on the bus. No more chaos, clap, clap, clap. Sit and ride, tap, tap, tap. Baby shark says be safe with me. Happy bus ride 1, 2, 3. Happy bus ride 1, 2, 3. La 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 la. Skeleton party, boom, boom, boom. Birthday skeleton, shake your bones. Clap, clap, clap. Rattle, rattle, rattle. Happy birthday, let's go, go, go. 5 little skeletons came to the party. Dancing, dancing, super hardy. One skeleton brought a big, big cake, but his head fell off. Mistake, mistake. no cheeks to puff. He used his bony fingers instead. Candles went out, yay, 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 he said.
Funny action part.
Shake your head, rattle, rattle. Shake your arms, clack, clack, clack. Shake your legs, click, click, click. Skeleton dance, don't fall apart. All the skeletons ate the cake so fast. They got so full, their tummies went boom at last. They hugged each other with bony arms. Best birthday party full of charms. Party. Skeleton party, boom, boom, boom. Happy birthday, shake, shake, shake. Clap, clap, clap. Rattle, rattle, rattle. Best skeleton birthday, yay, yay.
Five baby sharks were swimming around, eating everything they found. Burger here and apple a here. The yummy food is everywhere. Crunch, 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 what a bite. They eat all day and night. Four baby sharks were swimming fast. One ate too much, tummy got blast. He couldn't swim, he felt so slow. Too much food made my belly grow. So the ocean doctor came and said, stop eating like this instead. No more snacks, no more play. Eat carefully every day. Wow! Three baby sharks were having fun. One bit candy and started to run. But crack! His teeth got a break. Oh no, no, big mistake. So the crab doctor came and said, hey, too many sweets, go eat bread. No more candy, stop the bite. Brush your teeth both day and night. Two baby sharks were eating chips. One slipped and hurt his lips. Crunchy snacks made him fall. Oh no, no, this is not all. So the jellyfish said in glow, eat healthy food, don't eat slow junk show. No more chips, no more fries. Eat fruits that are fresh and nice. Whoa! One baby shark was left alone, still eating snacks on his own bone. He tried one bite, then crash. Oh no, huss, he couldn't even swim below. So the wise old whale came near. Listen, baby shark, come here. Stop eating everything you see. Healthy food is the key. All baby sharks then learned the way. Healthy food every day. No more junk, no more fight. They swim happy day and night. Crunch, crunch, gone, lesson done. Healthy eating is so much fun.
Pop, pop, wait, what's that? Something big is floating back. Pop, pop, look above. Baby shark is stuck, oh no, oh no. Baby shark was playing free, blowing bubbles in the sea. One grew bigger, bigger, wow. Uh-oh, I'm inside it now. Floating slowly to the sky. Mommy, help, I'm flying high. Up, up, don't you stop. Floating in a bubble pop. No, no, don't let go. Baby shark is stuck, oh no.
chaos led to boom. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm a cow went boom, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, then the every round. Boom, boom, what a sound, milk is splashing all around. E-I-E-I-O, oh no, farm is going crazy, yo. And on this farm a chicken ran, E-I-E-I-O. It danced so fast like boom, boom, bang. With a cluck, cluck here and a cluck, cluck there, eggs are bouncing in the air. Boom, boom, egg attack, chickens doing funky dance track. E-I-E-I-O, let's go. Farm is shaking head to toe. And on this farm a pig said boo, E-I-E-I-O. Jumped in mud with a splashy zoom. Ooh. With a oink oink here and a oink oink there, mud is flying everywhere. Boom boom muddy fun, pig is sliding like a drum. E-I-E-I-O, so wild, even MacDonald shocked and smiled. And on this farm a sheep went pop, E-I-E-I-O. Jumped so high it never stopped. With a ba-ba here and a ba-ba there, wool is floating in the air. Boom boom fluffy storm, sheep are breaking every norm. E-I-E-I-O, hooray, farm is dancing all the way. Old MacDonald says, oh wow, this farm is wild, I don't know how. He tries to calm the boom boom sound, but animals keep jumping around. Boom boom farm on fire, funny way. Music, chaos, wild desire. E-I-E-I-O, so fun, best farm party ever done. Boom boom clap clap, sing with me, Old MacDonald's crazy spree. E-I-E-I-O, we go, farmyard fun will always glow.